Hi, this is Bony here. I'm the artistic director for Ikonic. So today on my model, I'm going to show you a one-length bob and a box fringe. So for that, I've removed a section which is in a horseshoe shape, as you can see here, and the front fringe section, which is almost from recession to recession and slightly in front of the topmost part of the head. I'm going to begin my haircut by taking a diagonal back section all the way to the nape and combing the hair at 0° natural fall. So I'm going to tilt my model's head onto the opposite side and taking my guideline from the front, keeping the length onto the chin level. Cutting it. So while you work on the section above the ears, always make sure to release the tension by tapping on the top and also at the bottom. Follow the same process on the opposite side. Again, working with a diagonal back section all the way to the nape, combing the hair at natural fall, taking again the chin as a guide and cut. At the back, I'm going to tilt the head forward and connect this line. Step back, cross-check your sections, check the length, check the weight. Now we move to the top horseshoe section, comb the hair through and take a small panel around the curvature of the head. So we're going to graduate the top horseshoe section to build a little softness around the length. So elevate the hair a bit and work with point cutting technique. Follow the same procedure on the other side of the head. Lifting the hair at the same angle and work with a point cutting technique. Now the top, I'm going to divide the remainder section into two and I'm going to let the hair sit at its natural fall. So this time we're going to elevate the hair a little more to add more graduation on the top. I'm going to work around the head. You move around your client so that you have the steady angle across the head. Follow the same procedure on the opposite side. Elevating the hair and cutting it in a point cutting technique. I can see that by graduating the top section, the head sits in a bevel shape. I'm using my Pro Trimmer just to clean up the neckline. So unclip the front section. Now we're going to wrap dry the whole hair and so once you finish wrap drying the hair will sit at its natural fall. Now you can start cutting a box fringe starting from the center and to the corners. Allow the hair to set at the wider side of your comb. You can always use your fingers to rest it so that your hands doesn't move too much. Once you have your shape in place, you can always go back, refine it, and if there are any loose hair, you can clean it up.